Hi teachers, welcome to day 4 of learning how to use Manycam for your online classroom. So yesterday we learned how to make different kinds of objects, and basically you'll find those in your effects tab. So we downloaded some cool alphabet flashcards, which are really cool as props. They save you a lot of time and energy, especially when you're traveling, so you don't have to laminate things on the road or anything like that. Basically we learned how to go to the Manycam website to download lots of effects, and today I'm going to show you how to draw. Okay, so I'm no artist or anything like that, but drawing on Manycam is really easy, and I find that especially for colors, there's no reason to make like color flashcards or anything like that. You can easily just use the vibrant colors that are offered on Manycam and just play around with it. So basically, if you kind of use this first bit here, this will basically position. So if you can see, upgrade Manycam. So you can't move and resize your own picture. So if you keep clicking on that and that keeps opening up, don't worry, it's not necessary. So basically we have the drawing tool right here, and here we can change up the thickness of the pen. So it's on yellow right now, and that looks quite cool. And then it's really thick and it's really yellow. I love it. I think it's really pretty. And we'll go ahead and get rid of that. So you can undo something one by one, which I love because you can't actually erase things in the Dada classroom one by one, so it's great. So we can play around with these as well. You can erase just a little bit of it. So if we want to just erase this last bit, you can also use the thickness as well to change the thickness of the eraser. You can change the entire color. Which is cool. If you don't find the color that you like on these vibrant colors right here, you can always just click the color wheel and add your own. So if you are kind of looking for some specific colors that you'd like to use, black and brown aren't on the color thing, so I like to use that. And then lights out, lights on. So one quick thing that I like to do with the younger kids is I like to draw the colors, ask them what color that is, something like that, and we can go through orange and yellow, and then kind of fun, I just like to eat the colors. So the color goes away, and it's kind of just a fun way. You can have them sort of snack on them as well. It's just a cute, fun, easy thing that the kids just love and think is really cute. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to add text to your screen. This is really helpful for some of the kids who are learning to spell or learning to read, and you can kind of guide them not just on the screen, but on your screen as well. Now, the text is right at the bottom here, and so if this isn't positioned the exact same way, you can always grab these items and move them around, which is pretty cool. So this text box, you can move it around, you can kind of pick it up, and you can resize it. I hope that's easy to see. I kind of like to have it just at the bottom, or you can have it right above the Manycam or in between the border, whatever works for you guys. I tend to try to use a font. Let's see, A, B, C, D. I tend to avoid the fonts that make the A look like this kind of rounded A. It kind of freaks some of the younger kids out. So if you can find, it's not a great group of fonts here. It's not the regular fonts. Comic Sans, that's pretty much, I like this font. I think, it's pretty traditional. Okay, so you've got your A, B, C, D. Nice solid size for the font. You can put it over to the left or in the middle here, and you can change the color just like you can change the colors up here. I tend to just stick with black because that looks good. No scrolling. You could scroll it, which is crazy. That seems a little bit silly, and it's just going to make your computer work a little bit harder, but it does kind of grab attention for a little bit too. So no scrolling, all that good stuff. Normal, here we go, that's what I was looking for. Bolded is even better because then your student can definitely see it a little bit better. And then of course, hey, something like that, and that'll show up at the bottom there. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. You guys have learned to color and to use the colors, the nice pretty colors, to show your kids and to have a little fun with it, and how to put some words on the screen. So I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day, and I'll be looking forward to day 5 of your 5-day video series. So have a wonderful day. Talk to you soon.